Okay, so to find that, what we do is we work out basically how far, what the dimension is of this wee point here.
Right, I'm not sure you can see that well enough, so I'll just zoom out a bit. Move my drawing up. Touch, there we go, that's better.
Okay, so it's this measurement here we're trying to find in here. So we've got 15 and 15, so that's 30 overall. We've got 70 overall, so that makes it 40 in here. If there's 10 there, then 10 away from 40 is 30, so that must be 15 and that must be 15 there. So that means that this must be 15 because there's 90 degrees there. So this here is 15 also. Okay, so it's a bit of a puzzle just to find all the sizes. So I'm going to measure up 15 here and mark it, project it across. Okay, so now I know that this here has basically to go from there up to there. So just draw that in, and then similarly on the other side, just pick up the pace a wee bit here and start drawing in the bits. Now this bit here goes up 10, because you can see that on the drawing there, so I'll measure and mark that. There's 10 there. This goes up 10, straight up. Let's fill that in. Fill that in Melomatic. And then the slot goes in, the slot's between here and here. And how far in it is, we have to look for more information for that to find out how far this actually cuts in here.